I've spent the last few weeks tearing up the local park and my backyard track with these HyperGo rigs. Honestly, picking a best one is tough because they're all built like tanks, but after burning through dozens of battery cycles, I've figured out which ones actually survive a real beating. I bought these 5 to see which one truly earns its spot on your shelf.
Product number 1. HyperGo H16BM 1/16 Brushless Monster Truck. When I first pulled the H16BM out of the box, the weight of the metal gears and that chunky 2845 brushless motor really stood out. This isn't a toy. On 2S, I clocked it at 27 miles per hour, but when I popped in a 3S battery, it hit 42 miles per hour and nearly flipped itself over from the raw torque. I love that they used honeycomb material for the chassis. I accidentally sent this thing flying into a concrete curb and it just bounced off. The cooling fans on the ESC and motor kept everything chilled even after 20 minutes of hard bashing. If you're into big jumps and backflips, the wheelie bar is going to be your best friend. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants a mini truck that performs like a high-end hobby-grade machine without the $1,000 price tag. The extra ground clearance makes it a beast in tall grass, too. Product number 2. HyperGo H16PL 1/16 Brushless Buggy. The H16PL has a much lower profile than the monster truck, and you can feel that track-ready vibe the second you throttle up. My favorite part is the suspension setup. It's got shorter shocks in the front and longer ones in the rear. When I took it over some tabletops, it landed incredibly flat every single time without the chassis slapping the dirt. I also noticed it comes with 2 different sets of tires. I put the wide ones on for a sandy trail run, and the grip was insane. It's rated for 38 miles per hour on 3S, which feels even faster because it sits so low to the ground. If you're more into technical driving or racing your buddies at a local track rather than just smashing into things, this buggy is the way to go. It feels much more planted through the corners.
Product number 3. HyperGo 14301 V3 1/14 Drift Car. This one is a total change of pace. Holding the 14301 V3, you immediately notice the aluminum alloy chassis. It feels premium and stiff. What really surprised me during my test was the built-in gyro. I set it to about 75% as recommended, and I was pulling off smooth, controlled drifts on my driveway like a pro. It comes with 3 sets of tires, slicks for drifting, rubber for the street, and rally tires for dirt. I spent most of my time with the drift tires, and the simulated brake lights and turn signals make it look awesome at dusk. It's got a 3900 kV motor that's plenty fast, hitting 38 miles per hour on 3S. If you want a car that can switch from a street basher to a drift king in 5 minutes, this is definitely the coolest one in the lineup.
Product number 4. HyperGo H14BM 1/14 Brushless Truggy. The H14BM is the heavy hitter of the group. At over 6 pounds, it feels significantly beefier than the 1/16 models. When I took this out to an open field, the scary fast label actually felt accurate. On the included 3S battery, I was hitting speeds close to 50 miles per hour. Because it's a truggy, it has a wider stance than the buggies, which made it way harder to flip over when I was doing high-speed power slides. I noticed the waterproof rating held up well when I ran it through some shallow puddles and wet grass. It's got a 4.1 star rating for a reason. It's a durable, high-speed machine that bridges the gap between a small basher and a full-sized 1/10 scale truck. If you have the space to let it run, this is the performance king of the list.
Product number 5. HyperGo H16DR 1/16 Monster Truck. The H16DR is what I'd call the entry-level beast. It uses a 390 brushed motor instead of the brushless ones in the other models, so it tops out around 20 miles per hour on the included 2S battery. When I was testing it, I realized this is actually the one I'd give to my nephew or a first-time hobbyist. It still has the aluminum-capped oil shocks and the same rugged honeycomb chassis as the expensive models, so it can handle the same crashes, just at a more manageable speed. But here's the kicker. The ESC is 3S compatible. So when I felt like it was too slow, I threw in a 3S LiPo and it woke right up to 27 miles per hour. It's a solid, budget-friendly pick if you want the HyperGo durability without paying the brushless premium right away. Outro. That's the breakdown of the HyperGo lineup. These things are seriously tough, and you really can't go wrong with any of them. If you want to see the latest prices or grab one for yourself, I've put all the links in the description below. See ya!